Prime Minister Holness clears the air on his standing with SSL, launches a $37 million ship repair facility, and hands over keys to 3-bedroom unit in Rosemary Castle, St. Catherine. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is assuring investors that Jamaica's economy and financial sector remain resilient and strong. He made the assertion in the wake of financial sector concerns in the media, sparked by the allegations of fraud at local money management firm Stocks and Securities Limited (SSL). The Prime Minister says Jamaica's record of fiscal responsibility and commitment to economic resilience continue to encourage an optimistic outlook. According to Mr. Holness, the local financial market is a national asset and a regional leader, which gives Jamaica a competitive advantage that must be protected at all costs.
Jamaica will always experience shocks. And therefore, it is important for us to build buffers for shocks.
Mr. Holness made the remarks during the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE's 18th Annual Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference. Prime Minister Andrew Holness also released a statement last week seeking to clear the air on his personal standing with Stocks and Securities Limited. In it, he insists that the public must be assured that the political class has no conflict of interest that would prevent, delay or dilute efforts to ensure that the truth of the allegations is uncovered, those responsible are held to account, and the victims receive justice. In that regard, Mr. Holness says he holds no funds with SSL and has not done business with the firm since September 2021, when his accounts were liquidated and closed upon his instructions. He also refuted claims of having ever borrowed or received any form of credit facility from SSL. The Prime Minister is urging members of the public to seek verified information before forming opinions, especially regarding financial matters.
The fundamentals of information literacy requires that you check sources, that you verify against sources that are credible before you allow it to form your opinion.
On Tuesday, Prime Minister Holness was present at the launch of a $37 million ship repair facility along the Sir Florizel Glaspole stretch of the Kingston Harbour. The German Ship Repair Jamaica GSRJ shipyard project is a partnership with co-financier Sagicor Group and other local entities. There are also 3 major foreign shipping industry partners, Harron & Partners Limited and Kloska Group, both from Germany, as well as Hatsan Shipyard from Turkey. The first phase includes a floating dry dock, steel fabrication and engine workshops. Mr. Holness says the project is a significant investment poised to bring more economic growth and job creation to the country.
With the investments that are being made in improving Kingston as a logistics hub, we are certain that we have now closed one of the major gaps that has existed, and that more ships that are passing through the region will be inclined to come to Jamaica.
The repair shipyard will provide mechanical, electrical, electronic and hydraulic services. The facility is expected to draw customers from the 3,000 commercial vessels that visit Jamaica's ports annually. Completion is expected by October this year. And before closing out the week, the Prime Minister handed over the keys of a 3-bedroom unit in Rosemary Castle, St. Catherine. Movita Clark, a 3-time stroke survivor, received the unit as part of government's new social housing program NSHP. The St. Catherine resident says the $6.5 million house signals a fresh start for her family.
We just want to tell everyone thanks. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. I am so thankful for my home. And I will be taking very care of it, sir.
Prime Minister Holness says the NSHP is part of government's mission to regularize and upgrade communities while addressing the social problems that may exist.
We do have an urban renewal element of the Ministry of Housing, where we look at replacing some of these zinc fences and improving the aesthetic and the visual quality that we see in the community. So we'll do some work on that.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.